Anybody? Yeah.
Patil, yes, sir.
Patel,
Patil.
sir.
Sir, thank you so much for your valuable input you have given us, and so many things we are not aware of. The hardship you have gone through, we just can't imagine. We just can't think of. You have physically taken us there, where you went,
Yeah.
and sort of we are experiencing what you felt that time. I had a pleasure of talking to Parulekar sir also. I went to his home other day, and he was also narrated the things same way. Sir, one question I would like to ask you about the flight. There are lot many things coming out. Means whether he is there, what do you feel, sir? He is still alive or dead?
Who?
Tambe, flight lieutenant Tambe.
See, I will tell you about Tambe. They brought Tambe's helmet and showed it to us. Okay. And they showed it to us. And the pilot who brought it said, I shot down this person. So,
Oh,
if they had a helmet, I knew Tambe very well. I knew his wife even better because I was a badminton player. And she and I
Yeah.
used to play badminton. She was
yes,
a
sir.
reigning Indian champion, and I was very good in badminton, and I really enjoyed playing with her. So we were very good friends. But it was very difficult to tell her that I saw her husband's helmet, which implied that he could have ejected and have been captured, and this helmet was just given to the pilot who shot him down as a trophy or something to keep. And Tambe, therefore, I can't answer your question, Mr. Pathak. I would say
No.
he could either be
But,
alive
sir,
or he could be dead. But here's the point. After 54 years, none of them would be mentally stable by now.
Yes.
Suppose they are in jail. You know, either they would
Yeah.
have died, they would have rotted, ill health and died, or they would have gone insane by now. It's not possible to remain so long in prison. You know,
correct, sir. Correct.
even for a crime, you get 20 years. Even America, okay,
You become used to
two concurrent sentences, 40 years, but 54 years is cruel. I mean, it's unimaginable. So Pakistan is a cruel country. You can't, expect anything from them. You cannot.
It is just like Hitler in normal era.
That's
We
right.
can say what Hitler did during this time.
I don't want to speak anything political, but honestly, we have seen they tried to fool with us. We gave them the danda, and the danda works. So we should keep up the danda. That's all I want to say.
Yeah.
Because anytime they do something, we should retaliate with great measure, with 10 times the force, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
And that should be the end of them.
Sir, finally, one question. So that Madam Gracie was there in the Halwara base and helping the people by cooking and all those things. In your absence also, it's really a great story of her. And we would like to know what were her feelings. She was newly married. So I think you just started, matter of some days or months, you started living out there with family. Then what was her feeling during your capture there, sir?
I will speak for her. I'll tell you why. Many times people have asked her this question.
Sir.
You see, Grace was born in Singapore. Her parents were pioneers of Singapore. Her elder brother was Lee Kuan Yew, Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew's classmate. Her second brother was IG Police Singapore. Her third brother was Director Rubber Research Institute, Kuala Lumpur, when they broke away. Fourth brother was a priest of the Syrian Christian Church in Singapore. So she was the last of the family. And almost, if I may use the term, it's not the right term, like an unwanted child, because she's 24 years younger than her brother. So she was a very innocent, poor thing studying as a boarding school, like my life. From 11 years old, she hadn't seen her mother. Even I didn't meet her parents after when we got married, because father had died when she was very young and mother died 1 year after I got married. The war was going on. So and I was already a prisoner of war. By the time I came back, she had already died. So Grace had a very difficult background and she was in a state of shock. And that's my answer to you. Till today, she didn't know what hit her because she hardly knew me. It was an arranged marriage of sorts, not completely arranged. Our families knew each other. They were a very important family. My father was a very important person in the Imperial Bank of India. Nowadays it's State Bank. So, and they were joined by a common friend. So Grace's feelings, even now when I ask her, she said, I was in a state of shock. I didn't know whether to believe. The only thing she said, I kept myself busy doing work with the other ladies. And when I was removed from Halwara, I was in Delhi staying with my sister who was there. And that's what she said. And she said, I felt reassured by my sister. Then there was news that you were cited on TV. That made me happy. And I kept on living and waiting for you to come back. Then you wrote a letter. It came to me after 3 months. Then I wrote to you. That came after 3 months to me. So that, she was completely a civilian. And what do you expect from a poor young girl of 23 years age, just married? And then I go away for the war. Then she joins me after 1 month when I got a house. Then she stayed or 2 months rather, when I got a house. Then she stayed with me for about 2 months and then I disappeared. So, she hardly knows me. She hardly knows the service. She hardly knows a war. So
I think
that's all I can say in her defense or in an answer to her to your question.
So really, sir, exciting and that inspiring and really. So I think I had once the one book same about man's search for meaning by Viktor Frankl. So whatever you tell me now, then I remember the story like this story only, where the person was he was sent to that Nuremberg, those things.
Yes,
I think it's not less than that. The story you narrated almost all like reminiscent of Nuremberg kinds of things, but by the virtue of God, in the form of that Squadron Guzman. So I think that was the main bright spot for us in spite of all the hurdles. And it's really so fortunate, and I'd like to come and meet him. Bangalore also, he's in Bangalore. Definitely, I would like to come and share your story somewhat personally also during when the COVID thing goes away. And we'll have a second call of yours, sir, on the next important occasion like today's this thing. Republic Day.
Sure, certainly.
Really a great honor to have you, and really inspiring to listen to your story. And it will be really, though I served in 15 years in Air Force, I didn't know all this. Now I'm really excited to know all these things. So with the, I think, guidance from the Pathak Sahib, we have made it a small kind of thing. But now I feel that we are doing a great job and a noble job and letting our younger fraternity know the great stories and great legacy that you have created for us. And really, I think if anybody else is there, was Kisarma, Nagaraj Kumar, or for that matter, Jay Kumar Garu, or Manohar Raj Garu, or Damble, Rajnikant Damble Sahab, anybody wants to say finally anything? You can unmute and speak. Nagaraj Kumar Garu.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
आपका मेरा नाम नागराज है. मैं इंडियन आर्मी से नायक रैंक से रिटायर हो गया सर. 15 साल सर्विस करते.
I can't see you.
I'm in home.
No issue.
Yeah.
Okay,
you know,
sir, in front of the system, sir. Oh,
hello.
Yeah.
Manohar Raj.
Yes, Mr. Manohar, I can see you.
Sir,
really,
hats off to you, sir. Really, I have seen a movie called The Great Escape in 1976 at Delhi. And your story, I think, inspired by your story only, they have filmed this, The Great Escape film. Really, seeing that movie itself, we were thrilled. Now, listening to you, from a horse's mouth. Real, we are overwhelmed. We are very, very proud of you, sir. And we are once again, I say that we are fortunate enough to see you live. Thank you very much, sir. Wish you a very healthy and happy life for long life, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, Nagaraj Kumar garu. Matlandi. Video on.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, good evening. I am not comfortable with English, sir. Please allow me to speak in Hindi.
हाँ बोलिए.
ओके सर, हम तो आपका जैसे योद्धा के साथ जो कहानी है सर, योद्धा तो जो सुनते हुए हमारा रोमांचित हो रहे सर, क्योंकि मैं 71 सर, 71 मतलब 49 इयर्स हो गए सर आपका जो साहस का गाथा ओके. फिर भी हमारा जैसे आदमी को आपका जैसे जो सुनते सुनते रोमांचित होके आगे वाले जवानों को जो जनता है सर, हिंदुस्तान का जो यंगर जनरेशन है, उनके लिए इंस्पिरेशन होना चाहिए सर. मेरा भी 56 हो गया एज है, लेकिन जैसे आपका जैसे योद्धाओं का जो स्टोरीज है, ये इस बुक्स में ये प्रिंटेड में मतलब पढ़ने वालों के लिए आना चाहिए सर.
हाँ जरूर जरूर करूंगा
सर. मैं ये मुकस्सब के लिए नहीं बोल रहा सर, वो योद्धा का एक योद्धा का हिस्ट्री, जैसे वो राजा वो है शिवाजी है, राणा प्रताप है, वो अच्छा है. और हमारे इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन एयरफोर्स, इंडियन नेवी का जो योद्धाओं का हिस्ट्री पढ़ने वालों यंगर जनरेशन को होने से इंस्पिरेशन होता है सर, ताकि वो
सही बात
आगे जाके वो भी देश के लिए कुछ सेवा करे. व्यक्ति सेवा करना, वो सर्विस करना वो अलग बात है सर, लेकिन वो इंस्पिरेशन क्रिएट होने के लिए बचपन से ही होना चाहिए सर.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
लाइवलीहुड के लिए सर्विस में जाना वो अलग बात है सर, लेकिन पढ़ने से उनका ब्लड में ये होना चाहिए, मैं डिफेंस में जाना चाहिए, इस देश की रक्षा करना चाहिए, मेरे लिए पालना आदमी इंस्पिरेशन ऐसा होना चाहिए सर. इसी के लिए मैं अपना बगेश्वर राव जी और सभी आपका साथों से अपील करता हूँ, कभी आपका जैसे अच्छा बड़ा लोगों का कुछ ये ऐसा प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करने के कारण से दिल बहुत खुशी होते हैं सर.
Thank
बोल रहा
Nagaraj Kumar garu, sir has already written a book. Somebody, sir's family member is writing a book, and that is getting to be ready. And apart from it, हम लोग भी कुछ पाठक साहब हम भी कुछ इसके लिए ई बुक बना रहे हैं, जिसमें वो कुरबुल्ला साहब का तो बहुत अच्छा उसमें राइट अप होगा.
जी. Yes. Very thankful to you, sir.
Not at all. Thank you, Mr.
आपका may I know your age, sir?
76.
No. Oh, very nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Damble साहब, रजनीकांत दामले साहब, finally.
I've got 10% of I just came to my destination at 3 o'clock. I reached. So
really great, sir. Great. But our journey.
I've been driving for 1.5 days.
We are sorry that.
No problem. Like I told you, anything for colleagues and air warriors. There's no question. We are here. We must be united. We must be a team. And for me, I told you, I'm traveling. It doesn't matter. You asked me, and I must meet that request. So I'm very happy. I've only got battery 10%. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Battery is about to die.
Sir, one more, sir. One lady from outside. Okay. Finally, one lady, sir. One lady member.
Yes.
Padmavati.
Yes.
She's on the call. I think I want her to talk in Hindi or English. She's, of course, she's none but my wife only.
Oh.
Mrs. Sergeant Rao. Yes.
Yeah.
Madam. Unmute. Please unmute.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, Padmavati. How are you?
I am good, sir. How are you, sir?
I am very well. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
थैंक यू सर. आपका कहानी सुन के तो पूरा मेरा ये क्या होता है गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं सर. इतना अच्छा कहानी नहीं है ये तो, निज़ में आपने इतना किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनने में. तो मैं भी सोचू मैं भी क्यों नहीं है उस टाइम उधर ऐसा हो रहा है मेरा मन में तो। अच्छा, पिक्चरों में तो बहुत कुछ देखा, उसी टाइम देख के रोना भी आ रहा है। अभी निज जीवित में आपका कहानी नहीं, आपका सच का ये सुन के तो बहुत खुशी हुआ सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, आपने इतना सुना है तो।
Thank you Padmavati, very kind of you.
Parveen or anybody, Lakshmi or anybody else? Vijay Kumar ji, we'll close it. Vijay Kumar ji.
Sir, really, I do not know what totally inspired, sir. Your this one, like an action movie watching. But in fact, when you asked, shall I stop now? I was a little disappointed.
Then we can have one more meeting, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir. So where are you settled right now, sir?
In Bangalore.
In Bangalore.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a small request, sir. We Air Force Association Trivandrum has made a flight safety calendar, just like a flight safety calendar, sir, for this year. Okay.
Yeah.
Which I have already forwarded 2 copies to our Air Marshal Suresh, sir, who is settled there in Bangalore only. Okay. So if you can kindly give me your address, sir, shall I forward? I can forward a calendar for you, sir, our association calendar. It is.
Oh, wonderful! I'd love that. Thank you. Nice.
This is the. Yeah. Can you see this one?
Yeah. Okay. I can see. Very nice.
Good.
Very nice.
This time,
I'd love that.
This year, flight safety calendar they have not printed Air Force because of the COVID scenario. We here printed little calendars for our members, sir. So I am so happy to forward on, sir. Kindly, how to get your address, sir? Shall I tell my WhatsApp number, sir?
You tell. I'll give you my WhatsApp number because my phone is about to die.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll give you. Hello.
Okay.
We have got his WhatsApp number. We'll give you. Don't worry.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir. That's fine.
Jay Kumar, can you tell your number? Just I know down. Jay Kumar.
9961
9961
92 3022.
3022. Okay.
Okay.
See, our number as it is there on the ad part of notification.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
We'll be in contact for further thing. Sir, thank you so much from all our members. It's really a wonderful and exciting thing. And
thank you.
To spend this Republic Day with the heroes like you, it's a great honor for us.
Thank you.
Convey our love, affection, and blessings or care, whatever is to the Madam Gracie also, sir.
I will.
Thank you, sir.
I will.
So kind of in spite of your journey, you are on the journey, but in spite of that, you shared your love and shared your story with us. So it's a great thing for us, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you with all the health and wealth.
Thank you.
100 years.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
We are thrilled to hear your story, sir.
Yeah.
And that let us have one more time.
Yeah.
We'll let you know.
One more story.
Certainly.
Thank you.
So kind of you. So kind of you. We are really blessed.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.
So then our members can continue.
Yeah. If they want to continue.
Thank you. Junior Warrant Officer Patek sir, I know it is his idea. So I'm just helping him. So we must be grateful to our Patek sir for he is now aged 84 years. But still he wants to do something for the fraternity. He is doing it. So he should also be the inspiration for us. So I think give him a big round of applause for him also. Patek sir also.
It is just my idea, but all execution, Mr. Rao, is done by you only. It is more valuable. See, that idea is only mine. But you are
fantastic.
Because of you, the idea has flourished and it has gained some momentum now.
Gained momentum slowly. And because
it was not possible. Hello, yes. Rao sir, it was not possible for me single-handed to do such things.
Now we'll take the help of our Sergeant Jay Kumar also from Trivandrum.
Yeah. That's why.
In our mission we'll do it jointly. So see that now we are some people, then we'll make it a large volume covering across all the states.
Oh, fine, sir.
By December 16th December 2021, that is the 50th completion of our Golden Jubilee commemoration of our this Indo-Pak War, Vijay Diwas. That is our dream. So for that we need help from everybody, so that it will become a massive success. Of course, we have all the expectations that it's going to succeed.
Okay, sir.
It has become our burning desire to make it a grand success with the help of all the people.
Thank you.
So whenever next
all the new members, in appeal, my number is there, WhatsApp number is there. Kindly share your number to me so that we can interact with each other.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
Jay Kumar.
Sir, my number I have already shared.
Yeah, his number is there, sir. I have already taken. If anybody wants to share their number, I know Adavi Venkat, this thing. Rajinikanth, if you can give me your number.
Patak number.
Patak sir number.
There in that appeal.
I will give. It is there, sir. It is there in the notification. I'll share once again, Manohar. And I will request Rajinikanth Damle sir. If he can hear me, he can unmute and give me his number. Or he can type in the charting part. So we will share the stories also. We are recording the voices of the people. We'll definitely share in due course also, that one also.
Okay.
So I think, okay. So thank you, sir, Manohar Raj Garu and Jay Kumar. Thank you very much. In fact, now, we are operating in Kerala also, near Palakkad. We are operating on toll plaza. So we are doing National Highway toll collection in that place. In Kerala also, apart from 9 different states. So it's a great feeling to interact with all the people. And I thank all our teachers and other members who have attended this call and made it a grand success in spite of Republic Day today. So Patak sir, once again, I congratulate you for the success and thank you for giving me the opportunity. Let us
you making such a wonderful arrangements, sir, so that we more than 2 hours we are talking and we have all enjoyed.
Solid 2 hours.
It all credit goes to you. I am just giving some moment.
Your idea changing all the people.
Yeah.
The idea. Otherwise, there is nothing, no contribution.
Thank
you all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh Garu, Raghav Kumar Garu, Malati, Durga Dev Garu, then Kalyani Garu and Rajinikanth Damle Garu, then Lakshmi Garu, Vijay Kumar Garu. Thank you. Durga Dev Garu. Thank you, Andy.
All the best.